I would like to introduce the R82 Crocodile. The Crocodile is a lightweight posterior gait trainer. The Crocodile is available in 3 sizes. The size 1 can achieve a handle height as low as 16.5 inches, while the size 3 can accommodate a child up to 70 inches tall with a max user weight of 176 pounds. Each Crocodile comes standard with rear solid wheels and front rotational casters. In the center of the rear wheel, you'll notice a red dial. The dial is used for the adjusting of the tension of the rear wheel. By rotating the dial clockwise, you can increase the resistance of the rear wheel, and rotating the dial counterclockwise allows you to decrease the resistance of the rear wheel. Another rear wheel feature is the anti-reverse wheel stop. By engaging the anti-reverse wheel stop, you're able to prevent the rear wheel from rolling backwards unintentionally. The front casters also come standard with a directional caster lock. Once engaged, it allows you to prevent the front casters from rotating. The standard handles are also width adjustable as well as height adjustable. By simply loosening the 5mm bolt in the center of each handle, you're able to adjust the width by bringing them in closer or further apart. Once you reach your desired width, simply tighten the handles back. For vertical adjustment of the handles or height adjustment, simply open the red levers, which allows vertical adjustment, and to lock them back, you simply close the red levers. And they're marked, so you will always be able to gauge the height setting. This unit is equipped with 2 features or accessories that are not standard. One is the swing away anti-tipper. Once engaged, allows the user to use the unit without the risk of tipping backwards. A second accessory that's not standard is our flip down seat, which flips down for the user to use, and when it is not needed, it simply flips away so the user can continue to use the Crocodile. When it comes to storage and transportation, folding is made easy. Simply loosen the knobs on the side of the frame, fold the unit down, and tighten the knobs. Tightening the knobs prevents the unit from opening unintentionally. When you're ready to use the unit, simply loosen the knobs, fully unfold the unit, tighten the knobs back, and you're ready for use. For a complete listing of product accessories such as the pelvic support or the forearm support and many other Crocodile accessories, including the order forms, please visit our website.